Farrah's job requires her to be on the road constantly, and her manual '99 Ford Ranger pickup is just not up to the task. With a budget of $35,000, what car should she buy? Farrah, it's a bummer to hear your stick shift Ranger having to go to the junkyard in the sky, but you know what? I get it. It's time for something new. It's time for something stylish. It's time for something Japanese, something reliable. It's time for an Acura Integra. Farrah, I just got out of driving a new Integra Type S, and unfortunately that's a little bit outside your price range and only comes in a manual, so that's not what you're looking for. We're gonna take it step down, step back, find something a little cheaper, a base Integra. And when I say base, I mean just not the Type S. You can still get an A-spec with a CVT or a manual if you're feeling a little spicy, well within your budget. You're gonna have all the creature comforts you can ever want, and honestly, the trunk's so big, you're not even gonna miss your truck's bed. The Integra might not be a hot hatch, but it's still a pretty fun hatchback, and it's gonna be way more fun than a compact crossover or CUV. Farrah, make the right move, get an Acura Integra. Do you guys agree with my choice? If not, head on down below, let me know what you think. For more car buying advice, check out jalopnik.com.